doesn't matter what water heater you have, scale in hard water can be a problem. If you've got a tankless, you need to maintain it. If you've got a tank, you also need to maintain it. Now here's the hidden truth about tanks. I cut a bunch open a few years ago and was absolutely shocked at how disgusting they were on the inside. The scale had built up so it was a foot or more thick in the bottom of some tanks that weren't even a decade old. So whether you have tank or tankless, you've got to maintain it, you've got to do something about your hard water and scale. So tankless units are more prone to scale and hard water issues? Totally a lie. No matter what you install at your house, you've got to maintain it and you've got to deal with hard water and scale issues.